Hello, this is Alex from Direct Locksmith. Today I'm with Igor and we are going to be showing you how to change the battery in your car key. We'll use a few common car keys and tools that you should have at home to make this quick and easy process. So first up we've got a Mercedes FOB key here. So Igor, how do we change the battery on this one? So just pop off the back like that. Make sure you keep track of which way the battery goes.
You will see what is the battery and you put inside. New battery and you will close. It's done.
Alright, what's next?
Acura.
Acura push to start.
We take it out. We open here. We keep this finger here so this not break all. We take this battery out. Oops. We will see this number and we will put same number, a new battery like this, and you will close this key. All done.
Awesome.
That's it, job done.
Perfect. And of course, if you're ever worried about changing the battery and you need professional help, don't hesitate to give Direct Locksmith a call and pop into our office, and Igor here will be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.